What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Bienvenidos mis amores. Hoy le tengo un video. Well, today I have a video. I don't know why I started speaking Spanish, but today I have a video on drugstore or affordable products. I'm gonna show you guys more of a simple look. This is for all my girls that don't wear makeup or barely wear makeup or like the soft glams. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm starting with this LA Girl eyebrow pencil. It is so nice, you guys. It's very precise. I don't know the price, but I'll make sure to link everything down below. But trust me, it is really nice. I was very surprised on how well this worked. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the brows, and that's basically it. But again, I highly recommend the brow pencil. It worked out really well for being a drugstore pencil. I never find drugstore pencil that worked out that well, so this is really nice from LA Girl. I'm also going to be using the Crystal Cavern collection by WetnWild. Super excited to try everything. But let's go ahead and start with the face first. This is going to be a simple, easy look. I'm using this LA Girl just a color correcting because your girl be... Just because I've been having a lot of discoloration on my face, you guys. But I use this purple lavender shade because it does brighten up a lot of my darkest area. And I just like the brightening effect that it gives. You can definitely see how much brighter it looks. I'm also using this new Bear With Me Veiled Skin by NYX Cosmetics. It's not a foundation, I want to say. It's more like one of those type of BB creams thing. But again, I did have to mix it in with a foundation because it was very light on me. But I love how lightweight it is on the skin. This is supposed to be more of a everyday type of wear for my girl that barely wear makeup. But unfortunately, I did have to mix it in with another foundation to get the right color for me, which I really like how they ended up looking here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some contour with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I like to kind of contour my whole entire face with this. And I'm also going to be adding this concealer by Revlon, which I really like. It does dry down quick, so you have to work with it super fast. But nonetheless, I'm gonna start blending in my contour with this brush from Chamis A, which I really like. It's very nice, very precise, very compact, and blend those cream contours very nice. This is literally one of my favorite brushes for that. And I'm gonna go in with this Juno Code sponge to blend in my concealer. Next, we're gonna go ahead and set everything. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's a very nice powder. Unfortunately, I did get this a little bit too light for my skin tone, so it doesn't work as well, but I still like to use it because it's a very nice, affordable powder. You can also try the Coty Airspun, which is another of my favorite translucent powder from the drugstore. They work very nice. I have a full review on that I did a very long time ago. Moving on to bronzer, just to add more color to the face, I'm using this new Wet n Wild bronzer, which is a very nice. I truly love this color, you guys, on my skin tone. It's so soft, but yet give you that very beautiful bronze look. And to set all that powder, I'm using this Catrice setting spray, which I really like as well, and is a very affordable. Now, you guys, we're gonna start with this Crystal Cavern collection from WetnWild. It's a very pretty. I am upset that I didn't use everything, but I did use this eyeshadow. I really just used one of the lightest shade, applied it with my finger all over my eyelid. This gives more of like a wet look to your eyes, and again, it just keeps it very natural, very easy. You don't have to use brushes or anything like that. But I did one in with the darkest shade on the little palette and added it to the outer corners of my eyes just to give a little bit more dimension and like I had something going on, you know what I mean? Anyways, and moving on, I'm going in with this LA Girl neon black eyeliner, which I really like. You guys, I do like to set my eyeliners with black eyeshadow. I just feel like it just sets everything in place. Moving on to mascara, these are the two that I like to mix from Revlon and L'Oreal. Of course, we can never forget some highlighter. This is a full spectrum highlighting palette from CoverGirl. I love this stuff, you guys. Like, look at that glow. It is so pretty. It goes on so well on the skin and blends in really, really nice. You can add a little bit of highlight as much as you want to. I love highlighters, so I had to go with this. But nonetheless, let's go on to the lips now. I'm using a lip liner from NYX Cosmetics, which I really love this color, but I had to go in with another lip liner from another brand just to add a little bit more of darkness, because I really want my lips to kind of look more natural but yet very, very plumped. And that's literally it for the lips. And I also had to add some fresco to the face. I feel like it gave my face more of a youthful look, and this is such an easy glam, you guys, for an everyday wear, or if you just don't wanna, or for my girls that really don't like using lashes or don't like using too much, this is literally so perfect. Like, the eyes look really nice, everything just looks super pretty. But if you want to bump this up, girl, put on some lashes and you'll see how different, how bomb, and you can see how transformative an easy look can be. Anyways, my love, let me know in the comments how you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you on my next one.